Alright, another day, another video. Today's Saturday, December 10th. Don't tell me my car is not dirty this time. So, I haven't washed it since the last video. I don't even remember when that one was. Maybe a week or two ago? I'm charging right now. I have to close that when I wash it, but somehow she gets splattery mud and dirt on top of the car. So, it's filthy this time. Obligatory pause, take a screenshot, web address. It's almost Christmas, you can still get your orders in. Alright, so debating. And it's cold again, I'll show my thermometer here in a second. So we got stuff here. Like, I don't know what all this, I guess it could be bugs. Accidentally turned on the windshield wiper, turning into the garage just a little bit ago. So I got the Mr. Heater going. It's chilly, but I don't know how she's got this. She's got, well, most of these are splatters. Some might be bugs. More right here. Dang it. So I'm gonna clean it. I got right there is just a regular O&R blue, because I'm debating whether or not to polish the car. That was a little hint in my last video. I had mentioned I might do something, and I have some because I kind of fell in love with it again. The Optimum Gloss Coat and Hyper Seal. It worked so well on the previous test. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Let me get my thermometer out. I got the fan on. How can we get this here? There we go. Alright, it's almost up to 50. Get a little bit warmer in here, and I may just throw some. I gotta compound it first. So I gotta compound and polish it. I'll have to compound it with hyper compound instead of the intensive polish. I'll do hyper compound and then hyper polish to polish it. I got two new, but not really new. I think I'm gonna put some of this Optiglass Clean and Protect on half the windshield. This is brand new. I've never used this before. So I'm going to use it today. Even though this isn't Optimum. But if I decide to polish, I'm not going to put the instant detailer on there. Alright, well, let me get washing. I'm already getting warm sitting in front of this heater. Wow, yeah, I might just polish it. It's going to be a quick 2-pass polish. Well, 2 quick compound and then 2-pass polish. I just don't know if this is going to come off. This is a fresh coat of Diamond Body 36. Look at that. So I might have to do it. I think that's a bug. Alright, maybe there are some bugs still out, even though it's been in the freezing. Alright, let me get washing. So I forgot, this is another new thing that I got. I haven't washed it. This is coming straight out of the bag. You're not supposed to do that, but I'm going to do that. This is just a waffle weave towel from Optimum. Because like I said, I may end up going back to 100% Optimum. So I've never had their towels. So definitely thin. We're going to see how it soaks up water here in a bit. And for the pre-spray, so there's my Optimum no rinse. For my pre-spray, I still had that same Absolute Optimum mix from last time. Had about, I don't know, it was about half full. So I threw some Power Clean in there because, yeah, that grime there on the side. So because of that grime, I threw some Power Clean in here. So I'm going to get this sprayed down and then washed off. I'm probably not going to compound and polish today. I'm going to let it wear down just a little bit. And maybe wait for a little bit nicer day. Just because it's kind of chilly today. It's going to be fine, but it's going to rain next week again, so I'll wait. Alright, let me get washing. Car washed. Already drying here in the front where the heater's blowing on it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm folded the towel in like eighths. So I'm just going to squirt it. Make sure it's turned on. FYI, this stuff smells fantastic. I think green apples, I don't know. So I'm going to do, prime that pump. One spray here, one spray there. Tiny hood, but I don't care. Boom. right where I sprayed. Wipe. Make my way over here. Not bad. Flip. Dry side. Nice. Alright, it's not doing too bad. Alright, well, that's the plan for the rest of the car. Get all them out. Hard to do one-handed. Alright, well, let me get at it. Be back. So the towel did okay. I mean, it is cold. You can see it, it's smeared a little bit. It got a little bit too wet. So I got the temperature up to 58. Oh shoot, that's almost 60 now. It's almost 60 in here and I'm actually sweating. But even this car, being chilly, trying to dry it and spread that product, which I did put the instant detailer on. A little too much for it. I'd probably dry the car basically next time and like here. A little smeary. And the towel's too wet. I can't even wipe it off now because the towel's too wet. So I have to go get me another towel. I got a towel in the car. Alright, I'll wipe the towel down when I got in the car. Or wipe the car down. Alright, well, it worked. But next time I'll just know. Dry it better next time and then just use that waffle weave towel to spread the product. I think it'll work a heck of a lot better. Probably go through a lot less product too. I just couldn't tell. First time I ever used it, so. Whew, it's shiny again. I'll show you. Back. That's the worst part. I mean, besides just kind of being a little scratched up. It's actually clean back here. Yay. Alright, well, that's that. Get this thing edited and put together and throw it out today. Almost didn't make a video this week just because it's been so crappy. Alright, back at it. Phew. It was clean. We'll be dumping this one. That's it. And we're done. Wipe down with my second towel. Shiny again. Half the window wiped with the glass cleaner. I'm not even going to bother to get that off. It'll rain. But this one here was done, the driver's side was done with the faces. There you go. Diamond Protech. Cut it out and makes the water bead, or at least helps make the water bead. That's that. Oh, if my voice sounds different on this part of the video, it's because I didn't have my external mic. I had my external mic on the phone earlier. That's that. Shiny.